So with this one, we are now just going to do our 5 and 3. And now we need to do one more side. So we're going to do a 2 over here. And because we've got the 2, there's only 2 dots on this one. This one's actually going to be a little bit easier to do. So I'm going to click on L one more time. Oops, let's not do that. Let's go backwards on this one. Sorry about that. We don't want to mess with that at all. I hit the wrong line here. Okay, 5, 3. Let's try this again. Click on this one. Now let's hit L. Okay, so it's important to make sure our lines are in the right spot. Okay, so I'm going to 25 right there. Now I'm going to hit escape and hit X, and I only really need to worry about is it from this line to here, and I'm going to move this to 6.25. Okay, I'm going to hit L again. Go straight down 90 degrees. Good. Click on this, hit X. Go from our dimensions here. And once again, 6.25. And I've got 2 more lines I need to do. It's 25. Click on this line, hit X, to our dimensions. Okay, 6.25. Oops. And last but not least, let's get this one here. Click on this line, hit X, and we're going to do our dimensions here between these two to 6.25. All right, now go to circles. We're going to do the same thing over here that we've been doing. And, oh, I actually put that in the wrong spot. Let's go backwards here. I put that in the wrong one. I actually want this down here. Doesn't really matter too much. I'm just trying to make it look just like the cube, or not the cube, the dice that I have in front of me here. Okay, and let's make this a 4. All right, we'll finish that sketch. And once again, we're going to hit Q, hold this down with Command, and I'm going to actually use this one here and just type in -1. Okay, I'll hit OK, and we have finished that side right there.